Good morning. Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Once again I'm back here with a new and most essential and important topic, and that is the integral part of every construction in English language, that is helping verb, auxiliary verbs. As we know, while making a meaningful construction, helping verb plays important role. They are so important in the construction when we make it a meaningful construction. So what is helping verb? How many helping verbs are there? And what are their different uses or their classification? That everything about auxiliary verb or helping verb, it will be seen in today's video. So let's move towards today's topic. Helping verb means in Marathi sahyakari kriyapad. Why it is called as a helping verb? Because it helps to the main verb for giving a complete sense or a complete meaning. That is why it is a helping verb. It is helping because it helps. Verb means it helps to the verb. That is why it is helping verb. तो सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद आहे, म्हणजेच तो मुख्य क्रियापदाला सहाय्य करतो, म्हणून त्याला सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद असं म्हटलं जातं. एखाद्या वाक्यामध्ये पूर्ण अर्थ व्यक्त करण्यासाठी मुख्य क्रियापदासोबत म्हणजेच कृतीदर्शक शब्दासोबत जो शब्द वापरला जातो, जो त्या कृतीदर्शक शब्दाला सहाय्य करतं, that is helping verb or that is called as a सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद. So there are 24 helping verbs in English language, and these 24 helping verbs are classified into two groups, and the entire classification of helping verb, the entire classification of 24 auxiliary verbs, that is given here, and this is the entire classification. As you see here, the 24 helping verbs are classified into two groups. The first group is called as primary auxiliary. The second group is called as modal auxiliary. In primary, there are 11. In modal, there are 13. These two are the groups of helping verb or auxiliary verb. 11 plus 13, they will be 24. And these 11 of primary, they are again classified into three groups. These three groups means to be, to do, and to have. In to be, there are 5. In to do, there are 3. In to have, there are 3 forms of to have. These entire 11 are primary auxiliary. To be's present form are am, is, are. To be's past form are was, were. Present form of to do and does. Past form of to do, that is did. In case of to have, past form is had, and present form of to have, that is have and has. These 11 are primary auxiliary, the first part of auxiliary verb or helping verb. Now the second part of auxiliary verb or helping verb, that is modal auxiliary. Modals are 13. They all are in one group. They are not classified. They are like this: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, used to, ought to, dare, and need. These 13 are called modal auxiliary, but among them there are two. The last two are dare and need. These two are only called as semi-modals. They are called as semi-modals because they are also used as action denoted word. Okay, so this is all about modal auxiliary as well as primary auxiliary. It means the classification of helping verb, and these 24 are helping verbs. They are most essential while making a construction. वाक्य तयार करत असताना मुख्य क्रियापदासोबत वापरलं जाणारं, त्या मुख्य क्रियापदाला सहाय्य करणारं ते सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद असतं. हे 24 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आहेत इंग्लिश मधले. त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन अशा प्रकारे दिलेलं आहे, आणि ते सगळेच्या सगळे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. सो त्याचा यूज कसा केला जातो, प्रत्येकाचा एक वेगळा मिनिंग असतो, एक वेगळं फीचर असतं. ऍज पर देअर एक्सप्रेशन दे आर कम्प्लिटली युज्ड in a different way as per the tense. In case of their uses, they all are used as per their meaning and as per their expression. So in case of their meaning, one by one we will see their meaning in Marathi, because most of the time they are also used as per their meaning. So first of all, primary auxiliary, in that to be's 5 auxiliary verbs are there. Present form of to be am, is, are, and their meaning are given here. Am and is, it means ahe, as well as are means आहेत, like this. Am is used right in front of I, is used for singular subject, and are is used for plural subject. Now the past form of to be, that is was and were. Was is singular and were is plural. The meaning is given here. Was means hota and were means hote, that is plural form. Now in case of to do, there are three forms of to do: do, does and did. Do and does both are used for present, and did is used in past tense. Do and does, there is a difference. If the subject is any singular noun or he, she, it, that time only you can use of does, other time you can use of do. And did is used for every subject in a past tense. Okay, and in case of their meaning, they are used in a simple present or simple past, in question as well as in negative construction. Okay, now to be's third form, that is to have. Have, has and had. Have and has both are present form, and had is called as a past form. Have, has means आहेस or आहे, and had means hota. There is difference between have and has. For a singular subject and he, she, it, use of has, and other time you can use of have, and had is used for past form. So entire meaning of present form and past form of to do, to be and to have, they all are given here. Now in case of modal auxiliary are completely different one, and they are used as per their meaning. Every modal auxiliary is having a specific meaning, and as per their meaning or as per their expression, they are used in a different construction. So entire 13 modal auxiliaries and their meaning, that is given here. This is the meaning of every modal auxiliary. So these all were the meanings of modal auxiliary as well as primary auxiliary. It means helping verb. Okay, this was only the introduction of helping verb. हे फक्त आणि फक्त ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब म्हणजे सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदाचं इंट्रोडक्शन होतं. किती सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद आहे, त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन काय आणि त्यांचा मराठीतला अर्थ काय, त्याचा वापर करत असताना त्याच्या मिनिंग नुसार आणि एक्सप्रेशन नुसार कम्प्लिटली वेगळा वापर केला जातो. आणि ह्या प्रत्येक ऑक्झिलरी वर्बचा वापर कुठल्या टेन्स मध्ये, कोणत्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये, कोणत्या कंडिशन मध्ये केला जातो, हे प्रत्येक ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब वरती सेपरेट आणि इंडिव्हिज्युअल व्हिडिओज प्रोव्हाइड केले जातील आणि ते पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइडेड असतील. सो इट वॉज ओनली द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब. द रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स मीन्स द युजेस ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब्स, they will be provided you so soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share and like our channel.